You are watching Yoga with Amby. So what are you waiting for? Let's start.
Step your feet wide, lower into a deep squat. Bring hands closer, press elbows into knees. Step your feet wide apart and slowly fold forward from your hips, letting your head relax down. Place your hands on the floor. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Bring the soles of your feet together. Sit comfortably on your mat and gently extend your legs wide apart. Stretch your legs wide and bend your body toward the right side. Lift your right arm up. Stretch your legs wide and bend your body toward the left side. Lift your right arm up. Lie on your back, bring your knees toward your chest, and gently hold your feet with both hands. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and bring the soles of your feet together while letting your knees fall outward. Lie on your back with knees bent, then press through your heels to lift your hips upward. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and press your upper body upward while keeping legs extended. Sit tall, lift your legs, and balance on your sitting bones. Extend your arms forward and engage your core. Lie on your back, draw both knees toward your chest, and wrap your arms around them.